What's going on YouTube? Today I have a very special video for you guys. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do your own self haircut at home. It's going to be a series of videos called Self Cuts with Dave, and in every video I'm going to break down the tool setup, what I use to do the whole haircut, as far as just tips so you guys can learn how to cut your own hair from home, save money, and just save time as well. So to begin, the step number one is gonna be to have your own mirror. I'm gonna be using this, and if you guys are serious about honestly cutting your own hair, saving money and doing all that, just don't start cheap. Already invest in something. If you guys don't even like cutting your own hair, you guys can still have a 360 mirror to look at both sides of your hair. If you have to style your hair, if you have to do anything to yourself, it's necessary to have a mirror. So throughout my videos, I'll have different mirrors that you guys can use. For today, I'm gonna be using this tripod mirror by Self Cut System. It's perfect to see all around your head. So let's begin. All right, we got our cape, our mirror. We need our comb really quick. Let's go ahead and comb our section. We're gonna use our trimmer. This is a flex trimmer by Stylecraft, the new trimmer. It's not zero gaps, comes straight out of the box like that. First things first guideline, guys, super important. You guys get this right, you guys will have a pretty decent haircut. We're gonna split our sideburn right here. Now, we're gonna split it in half, go a finger, and right here at the middle of your ear, we're gonna stop it. Next, middle. We're gonna connect it now. Next thing, we got that guideline set. I'm gonna go ahead and line up the C-cup. We're using this kind of like a pencil, guys, so just make sure you guys don't push it back. I'm gonna line up the back. Move to the side a little bit. Now I'm pushing the mirror so I can be able to see the back of my head. The next step, for the whole tutorial, I'm gonna be using my JRLs. Great clippers, very lightweight. I'm gonna attach my half guard and we're gonna go a finger. By a finger, just pretend that it's the measurement of your index finger, pinky, whatever. You go a finger's width and you follow the same line. It has to be the same identical line, guys. It can't be straight, it can't be nothing. It has to just follow this. Going up a finger. Remember to follow all the way in the back of the head. Gonna do the same thing to the beard. All right, guys, to blend this out, we're gonna start with our lever open, which means that our machine isn't as sharp when the lever's like this. The more that we push it, the sharper that it gets, because it moves the blades closer together. And we're gonna slightly close it little by little as I work my guideline down. So we know that it's least sharpest with the lever open. So we're almost gonna hit the full thing. And we're only gonna work from here to here only. So I'm like flicking up almost all the way because we use the half guard, and the half guard is bigger than this. Now we're gonna split this guideline in half. Basically the full distance of the finger, we're gonna go midway. So we're just kind of like blending. Blending is going from shortest, baldest to hair length. So we're just blending the line in between. Close it. This is almost all the way closed, guys. It's a quarter. Oh no, it's actually all the way closed. I'm gonna slowly, slightly start opening it little by little. Work my way a little higher. I'm gonna slightly close it again. I see a little line. Once we got that blended, guys, we finished this side. We're gonna work on the back side now. I'm using my left hand to push my ear down. Gonna repeat the same process. Lever open, but I'm using kind of like the left corner You guys will get used to the hand-eye coordination of just using your clippers, guys. It takes a lot of practice. Midway now, I'm using the left corner. It gets trickier around the ear because we have less room to work with. So stick to using the corners of your blades, guys. Now I'm gonna close it a little bit. Now we're a quarter, and I'm kind of just like barely like just gently tapping the beginning of the line, because once I close it, I just have the beginning of the line to work with. Remember, we stopped the line at the middle of the ear, so you guys want to hit that line almost right there at the middle of the ear too. To blend the beard, we do the same thing, guys. Either start with it all the way open or work from closed to open. Next thing, guys, the 1.5 guard. If you guys are new to the game, you guys need to buy this separately. It doesn't come with all the clippers. The 0.5 and the 1.5 come separately. We're gonna go a finger above again, gently flicking up. So I demonstrated the other side. Now, guys, I'm gonna be using my left hand. It's super pivotal. I've never really used my left hand on tutorials, but I do it on the other side. I'm gonna be using my left hand. The middle finger and my index finger is right here, and my thumb is underneath the clipper. I'm gonna use my right hand to push down my ear, and I'm gonna go up a finger, just like we did on the other side. Here, positioning my head. I'm just going up, just going up a finger. So we want a finger now. So we need 2 guards to finish this line out. It's gonna be first with the half guard, open to close, and then the 1 guard, open to close. So we have a full finger's length to work this both lines with 2 numbers. So think about it. We have about half of a finger to go between the open to the closed position with the half and the one guard. I'm still using my left, guys. And I'm not, I think the word is what, ambidextrous, and I'm definitely not that. It just takes a lot of practice. Now the lever's in the middle. Sorry, I forgot to mention to you guys that if you guys do have a lot of hair on top, the first thing that you guys want to do is just debulk it with like a number 3. And if you guys still have unblended hair, at the top, take some clipper over comb, and then use some shears on top of that. You know, it sounds kind of, you guys probably might have to watch another one of my videos, but I don't have longer hair like that, so just wanted to chime in and let you guys know. Now, we're using the 1 guard. We just went open to close. Just working this area right here. And close it now. We just literally went open to close. Work that area now. I'm gonna start working this area. All right, guys, so let's do a quick recap. Trimmer line right here, half guard, a finger. We blended it with open to closed. We made another guideline with the 1.5 guard, a finger. We did it on the other side where we used the half guard and then the 1 guard to blend that out. So now you should have a big weight line right here. So everything below this line is the 1.5 guard. Everything above this, now we're gonna go up with the 3 guard. So I'm going up about a finger and a half and just kind of just gauging it. Just kind of scooping and seeing what happens. You guys can get too, I guess, too systematic with this. Everybody has different hair. It's gonna blend out a lot differently for everybody. So follow your system. You guys see I didn't really take down that much bulk. After, we're gonna go and work our way lower now. So we're gonna go from the 2 guard back into the 1.5 guard. So lever open. So if that 3 guard is 2 fingers, then you guys wanna split that and go 1 finger with the 2 guard. We're here at the back of the ear. You guys have to make sure you guys are using the corners. I'm gonna close it and hit the beginning of that weight line right there. It's not gonna blend it, guys. What's gonna blend it is using the 1.5 guard. To finalize, guys, our fade, 1.5 guard. Now, this whole weight line right here, basically the beginning of our line, we're gonna erase it going from the open to the closed. So just gonna start right here at the back because it was kind of bugging me over here in the back. Oh shit. Great tip, another tip guys, hold your guard with your finger like this. Guys, you guys don't wanna make that mistake and just end up butchering yourself. I almost did on 4K. Just cutting into that. I'm gonna close it a little bit now. You guys see the hair's growing this way, so I have to make sure to go in the opposite direction. Now I'm gonna start going with the grain right here at the bottom. Just my hair's curly guys, so if you guys have straight hair, this doesn't work. Now I'm gonna start working this area again. Now I'm gonna start detailing. So we're gonna start first with razoring or treacloring. And that bottom line, always guys, always double check it, always make sure that it's bald. Now, I'm just gonna flick out with the lever open now. And work my way back down. Then, I'm gonna gently just nicely go down with my shaver again. I like this shaver because you could control the power. Last important step, guys, super, this is kind of like the most advanced thing right here. It's called point cutting. And we're kind of just digging holes at darker spots, right? Sometimes like right here, I'm not closing my scissors all the way through. All right, you guys, that was it. A full in-depth self-cut tutorial doing a burst fade. This is important, guys. If you guys want to save money, I probably just saved myself an extra 60, 70 bucks. I need a haircut about every 4 to 7 days. Leave a comment down below on what videos I should make, how I should make these. Should I use cheap tools? Should I use tools that are trending? You know, give me ideas, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit the sub button. I appreciate you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.